Hi guys, my name is Shum and today I'll be showing you how to download Mortal Kombat 5 for absolutely free. So for doing this you don't have to do anything. You just have to go to the Play Store and just download it from the this section only. Mortal Kombat 5 Blackout. So this is a free game for now. I don't know, Gameloft has planned it to just bring it down in some days or just permanently make it free, but now you can just download the game absolutely free from the Google Play Store. Just download it as fast as you can, and because I don't think that Gameloft is going to just keep it like this for many days. So this was it, and now let's just do the gameplay of the game. So the game is very nice and can be played online only, but overall the gameplay is very good and I like this game a lot. Let me just trigger on the brightness of the screen. We'll play one level.
Phoenix, do you copy? What is your status?
Oh, what the hell happened? Okay, so it's reconnecting. Okay. Let's start. So they have put this energy bar over here in the new update. But sorry for that. But overall the gameplay is very nice. And the game 2 is awesome one from Gameloft. So I'm playing this game on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G, and a very nice device to be considered, and you can just check out my other videos for more information on this device. Okay, so
stay back.
Let's go.
So who are you? How do you know Rue?
Iron Master. Rue is an old friend. Come on, this way. Through here.
wow, the graphics look absolutely crisp. Okay, use a scout drone bit later. So the gameplay has actually become a bit difficult as compared to the previous update, but the story remains the same. Okay, so here we get the scout drone.
Nice. Come on.
I tried to just record the screen using an application, but it required the phone to root, and therefore I just didn't install it. So sorry for that. Oh man.
Rue Gilman Venice. Here. Rue Gilman Venice.
What the hell?
Through here.
Okay, so we are about to finish this one level, and then I will be winding up the video. Oh no.
We're clear.
So here ends the video and level, of course. So this was the quick gameplay. So this is it for this video, guys. Do just rush to the Play Store and download this game, because I don't think so that Gameloft would just keep it like the free version for a longer time. So just go to the Play Store right now, and thanks for watching this video too.